Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about biodiversity. The prefix bio refers to something connected with life or living things or living organisms, while the term diversity means variety or differences of individuals in a group. So the term biodiversity can be defined as the variety of all living organisms on Earth in all of their forms and combinations. Now, one might think, how do living things become so diverse between one another? How does each of them acquire very different characteristics from one another? Well, that can be explained with the types of biodiversity, which include genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Number one, genetic diversity refers to the variety of genes and its combinations within a population or different populations of the same species. No two individuals of the same population are exactly the same, and of course, they are absolutely different from other individuals from different populations, even if they belong to the same species. This happens because at the molecular level of the genes or the DNA between two individuals, the nucleotide arrangements is already different. They also might have different alleles and different gene combinations that leads to the difference in their genotypes and phenotypes. Variation in characteristics is essential to every individual so that they can adapt to their specific environments and their specific needs to survive. Number two, species diversity refers to the variety of species in communities of an ecosystem. Producers or photoautotrophic organisms of an ecosystem may consist of many species. The same can be said for the herbivores and carnivores that reside the higher levels of the ecosystem food chain. As a result, the ecosystem they live in runs smoothly and naturally achieves proper balance. Number three, ecosystem diversity refers to the variety of habitats, biotic communities, and ecological process in an ecosystem and the variety of ecosystems in the biosphere. A proper ecosystem must consist of different organisms that lives in different habitats, different feeding habits and diets, or undergo different life cycle so that at the same time they play different roles and cater different needs in the ecosystem. There are many different ecosystems on Earth that are specifically adapted to the climate, elevations or altitudes, and latitudes. Different ecosystems consist of different kinds of biotic communities. For example, organisms that live in the desert must be different from those that live by the rivers or tropical rainforests.